Hello
everyone.
guys!
Welcome back to Hiromi Vlogs. Another good day, another vlog. So what are we gonna do today?
So we are going to buy 4 different snacks and one drink.
Sri Lankan snacks.
Yeah, Sri Lankan and Philippine snacks. So I'm going to taste Filipino snacks, which she buys that she's not going to show me until we are going to try it. So I'm going to buy whatever I like. So
No ginger.
no ginger. Let's see. Yeah, I like ginger.
But I'm the one who's gonna try it. So
Yeah, you
No.
buy whatever you like. I'll buy whatever I like. So you try.
yeah. So basically, this vlog is about trying Sri Lankan and Filipino snacks and rating them. So let's see who has good snacks.
So at the moment we are in Lower Hutt. I'm going to go to the Sri Lankan store. I think its name is Lagdiva. So yeah, so I will go first. Then I will buy. Then we'll go to the Philippine store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you wanna go now?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's see.
let's go.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
He's on the way now, and I'm just gonna stay outside so I don't see what he's gonna buy. That's the name of the shop. Still waiting outside. Oh, he's there. Can I see?
No.
Why not?
You can't see. You will see when you go to try it.
Is there something with a ginger taste there?
You will find it soon.
You buy something so spicy for me? I don't
Maybe.
like spicy food.
You should eat spicy food. You married to Sri Lanka. So next stop, Kaban store. Do you know the name?
Philippine Pacific Products Limited.
Alright.
I hope it's open.
Oh, is it closed? Uh-oh,
Go to the tower.
it looks closed.
You have to go to the Johnsonville one then.
Oh, the shop is closed.
Johnsonville.
Let's go to the other one. We'll find you one.
Is it closed?
Maybe try.
No, I think they're moving.
Maybe.
Okay guys, I just realized while checking on Google that there is another Filipino shop here in Lower Hutt. The name is Balay Pinoy and it's actually near where we are right now. So here just went inside the mall, the Queen's Gate Mall. So after that we'll see if they are open or not. Otherwise, if they're closed, then we have to go to the Johnsonville one, which is near our house. But yeah, hopefully they are open. So we'll see you in a while. Bye.
Oh, what is that? This is Balay Pinoy and Asian stop. So here she comes. So what did you bought?
You'll see. You'll find out later.
Can I see inside?
Nope.
Why not? Oh,
The secret.
secret. Well, get back.
With our snacks.
So, this is Sri Lankan stuff which I bought for army and
This is the Filipino snacks.
yeah. So what we are going to do, we are going to do like a mystery box. So we are going to do rock paper scissors shoot, and whoever loses have to choose one from the bag. So she haven't seen what's inside, and I haven't seen. I just saw a little bit now.
Cheating.
What's in that bag? So
Bato pig.
What's
That's
that?
the Filipino version. Let's do that. Bato pig, and then that's it.
okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Bato pig.
I won. You lose.
No, that was a trial.
No.
Practice.
No practice. No warm up. Okay, you want to do one more? Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato pig. Bato pig.
So I get to choose the first one.
Okay, close your eyes. Give me your hand.
Hey, you can't choose.
I'm not choosing, I'm just shaking it.
Oh, this one looks. Seems like the small one. No, let's go for the big one. Alright. Can I open my eyes?
Wait. Okay, open your eyes.
Oh, what's this?
That's ube. So this is purple yam candy. Ube. You like
Purple yam candy means sweet potato.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like sweet potato. Ta-da!
So let's see how he breaks it.
I think we should have to have a scissor.
Yeah. Let's see like this. You have a strong one.
Yes. Oh, that's small.
Yeah, try it. I used to eat this when I was like small. I like this. And there's another flavor which is Lanka.
Oh.
Okay.
Lanka means
Jackfruit.
jackfruit.
Yeah, the sweet
Means,
one. Oh,
yeah.
that doesn't look like purple. It
This
looks
looks
like
black, guys. It's black. What do you letting me eat? You know?
Try it now.
Doesn't smell
Shove it
bad.
in your mouth.
The whole thing. Bit milky. Have the a little bit like sweet potato, sugary.
So,
Huh.
how would you rate this?
I kind of like it. Yeah.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, maybe 5.
5. Okay,
Because it's a bit sweet.
I'm gonna eat it later. Okay,
You can try it as well if you want.
that's fine. I'll do it later. Let's do this fast.
Okay.
Okay. Bato pig. Bato pig. Bato pig.
Alright, your turn. Close your eyes. Can't look, can't peek. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I hope there's no ginger here. What's this? It's like in a container. This one?
That's the one you want? Sure?
Yeah.
Your second thoughts? Alright, you can open your eyes.
Agala? What's agala?
It's Aggala.
Agala.
Aggala is
That looks like.
it's like made out of rice. It's like a bowl made out of rice.
Balls.
So
Rice ball.
rice bowl. Some.
Why is it black?
It has
No ginger.
no ginger. But you will find out. Hey, you open it. Why I am opening?
Why me? I opened that one for you.
Okay.
Oh my goodness gracious! What is that? It smells like medicine.
It's not medicine. Try it. This is has a lot of nutrients, good for your body. Why you?
I think I don't like the smell.
Then don't sniff it. Eat it. Eat.
Why is it spicy?
It has pepper. Try one more.
I was gonna say it's good. It's like nutty or like sugary kind of thing. And then I was like, why is it like biting my tongue?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing with the...
2 out of 10.
Alright.
Bato, pick. Oh! This should be a good one.
Are you sure? You cannot smell the package.
No, I want
Are you sure this time?
Yeah. No pepper?
You will find out.
Okay.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
Oh! I know this one. This is my favorite.
So it's Malibun lemon puff.
10! I rated 10.
Yeah, Sheila used to like it when she was in Sri Lanka.
I still eat it here.
Yeah. Anyhow, after the bad start,
Let's try it. Oh, it's broken.
it's alright.
Mmm. Yum.
Is that the best lemon biscuit you have ever
Yes.
tried?
Mm.
You don't have ones in the Philippines similar
have.
taste?
We have.
So it's better than your Philippine one.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, nice.
I like the what do you call this? The inside one?
The cream.
The cream. It's really tasty.
Because we
And it's
have
like
the
lemonade.
best lemons in Sri Lanka, you know. So what's your rate?
10.
10. Wow.
My favorite.
Your favorite? Alright. Let's see.
What's the name? Malibun baka naman. Promotion.
Promotion. Hey, only
Okay.
one piece you can eat.
Ooh.
Alright.
Ooh. Bato, pick! Oh! Got you this time.
Oh man.
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
I hope something tastes good.
Oh, I think I broke the bag.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Oh. Oh, that's fluffy.
You know, all the things that I bought for you is good. Open your eyes. Because you're on a diet right now, I bought you a vegetable flavored rice cracker.
I like it. I like the name.
Snaku.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. But know that it's not vegetables.
Ooh, it's green.
Yeah,
Oh.
smells good.
Mmm. That's good.
I like this one.
This is really good. How do you snaku?
Snaku.
Snaku.
It's like snaku.
Oh, this is healthy. Rice crackers.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
It's not healthy, but yeah, it's still chips.
Yeah. I like it. I'll give this one 10 out of 10.
Whoa, that's not even the best. I thought you wouldn't like it.
No. That's nice.
Okay, he likes that one.
I'll finish this one.
Hey, put it on my side.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Rock, paper. Oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick.
Man. Second time.
Oh no, I didn't break it. Woo, woo. Oh. Are you sure? Yes.
What's this? Oh my god.
Yes. Delis. and pusit. So it is mixed crispy fried squid and anchovies. It's teriyaki style, so you might like it. But
Oh no.
I know you won't like the smell. Oh,
Yeah, it smells bad.
come on.
Yeah. Do I have to eat it?
And it looks bad. It tastes good. So that's, I think you have to eat both of them. So
No, this one
this
smells
is
bad.
the dilis. See? And this one is the squid. It's ready to swim inside of you. No, you can't do that. No. Try it.
Just one.
No, you have to try both.
Why do I have to try both?
Just bite it. If you don't like it, I'm gonna eat it. It's not bad. Just like fried squid, you're just overreacting. Okay.
It's not
Try this.
as bad as it smells, you know.
It smells bad.
Smells
No,
really
it smells
bad.
really bad.
Smells really like dried fish, stinky. But I think they have put some sugar or something to marinate.
Teriyaki.
Yeah, teriyaki. So it's
Eat that one.
not that bad. But I will rate this one. Two. 2 out of 10.
Sweet. Yeah.
All right.
You have something bad for me? Please no. Bato. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Oh!
Close your eyes.
Oh no. Because he's laughing.
I like this one.
Is it a tea?
No, it's a biscuit.
Show it to them.
Healthy biscuit.
Show it to them like this. That's the name.
So what makes it healthy is it has karapincha. So karapincha is the English term is curry leaves. Curry leaf is a really healthy leaf that we put for cooking, and they use for medication purposes in Sri Lanka. And it doesn't smell bad. It's just curry leaf. It's like your like bay leaf, a pandan leaf, something like that.
Oh, not bad. Tastes good.
Yeah.
But it tastes like medicine.
Medicine? I like it.
Like the herbal kind of thing.
Oh yeah. That's the taste of the curry leaf.
Leafy. Yeah, it's very leaf. 5.
But the biscuit is good.
Needs more sugar. Like
Sugar? It's
salt,
healthy.
Salt, sugar.
Healthy biscuit.
You can have that.
Alright.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Pick. Why?
Your turn.
Oops. Show me some skin there.
You had to close your eyes.
Oh.
You saw it. You saw it.
There's one like 2 less, and I
Okay.
think the other one is like coconut oil. Oh yes, I remember you.
Chip it in.
Yeah, my favorite when I went to Sri Lanka. So it's the lemon puff and this one. I like
Can you read these words?
noodles.
Noodles.
So you know, guys, this one. Can you agree with me? This one looks like noodles. I call it noodles.
Okay, you open it. Other way around. You will love this
Why
one.
does it smell like mango?
What mango?
I know this.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
remember, like, in your previous house, there's like a small store beside it, and
Yeah.
I always I tell
Buy
you to
this.
buy this one for me because I like it.
Some acid.
Yeah. Hey,
Hey.
hey.
Alright. One more to go.
Bato, pick. It should be you now.
Okay, well, let's do one more time.
Bato, pick. Okay, then the last one.
Last one, I will give you.
Is that oil? Is that oil?
Coconut oil. Now, this is one of the famous soft drinks in Sri Lanka.
Oh, I don't
Cream
like
soda.
that. I've tried that before.
Yawwane popiyana jamatkare.
Oh,
I still remember.
Hari.
Hari. So,
Is that the advertisement?
yes.
Yo, what a try.
So, ta-da.
It's not even cold. I don't like that. I prefer Coke.
You want ice?
No. Just a little bit. I'm not gonna finish it. Cheers. It smells like medicine. Why most of your food smell like medicine?
It's healthy. Sri Lankan food is healthy.
Okay,
Alright,
so
my turn.
Then, no point of doing the bato
Yeah.
bato thing.
So, all the Sri Lankan stuff are finished, so it's only for me to. So, you can choose one for me.
So I'm gonna rate that one
Oh, yeah, you didn't rate it.
not my type 4.
4.
I can drink it, but it's too sweet. Yeah. Want you to try this?
Wow,
Okay.
I like it. I like tamarind.
Yeah. Oh, why does it say it's spicy?
Oh. Then that's my type.
Sweet and sour with chili. This is made in Thailand, not in the Philippines.
I thought you bought for
Yeah, we
Philippine
bought it
stuff.
from the Filipino shop, but they sell Asian. What is this loaded? Oh my god, I don't think I can eat it.
I have tried before tamarind sweets, but
This one has chili. Sweet
I
and
can
sour
smell the
with
chili.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's good? Spicy?
It's all balanced. The sour, sweet, and the spiciness. I kind of like it.
Rate it.
I will give 8.
It's good. I'm gonna try it later. Okay, last but not the least, from the Filipino snacks. No, it's a Filipino drink.
Drink. Oh yeah.
Favorite drink.
At last something to drink.
Red Horse.
Red Horse. I don't drink anymore.
You don't drink anymore, okay. Ta-da! My favorite Zesto mango juice. Of course, if it's my favorite, that means it tastes
Yeah,
good.
it tastes good. No, not everything that you like tastes good.
Shut up. I can't open I have nails.
Oh man.
Oh my god. Long nails.
Smells bad.
No, it's mango.
Sure?
Yeah, it's mango.
Oh. Tastes like guava.
Tastes like guava.
See, I told you. It's
This
not-
is a ripe mango.
I thought the Philippines has the best mangoes, you know.
Yeah, that's ripe mango. Overripe.
Yeah, I think it's alright.
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah, it has taste of
I'm gonna try this.
mango, but more taste like guava because it's alright. So, for a mango drink, I will rate this one 3.
Oh.
Yeah, because it doesn't taste like mango, it tastes like guava. Should be taste like mango.
So that's it. That's it for today. Time to finish this next. This is my lunch.
Alright guys, we are going to finish these snacks, and so that's our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed,
Yeah.
and
Please continue to follow us, watch our other YouTube videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos as well. And don't forget to click that notification button as well, so you'll be updated on our next videos to come.
much appreciated.
Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. See you
See
next
ya.
time. Bye bye.